So my advice is actually not directly about computer vision. It's about understanding the use case. It's about evaluating possible solutions. Is computer vision actually the best approach? It's definitely not the right tool for every problem. So thinking through that very carefully, it's really key to understand how a potential solution will fit in with the existing workflow. And medical examples, kind of the best one I can give here, will the computer vision AI you're developing will prioritize what the practitioner will look at, or will it check their work for errors? So kind of which order do they operate in? Or maybe it'll provide some insights to help the practitioner make better decisions. All of these workflows are possible, but what is actually more helpful for the thing that the practitioner is doing and for the outcome of the patients? So the practitioner might need to trust the AI. Are there steps you can do to build trust? Do you need explainability to be part of it? That's something you would need to understand up front. The last thing you want is for the AI solution to get in the way and interrupt the workflow of the practitioner, and it might not even get used in the end. So all that workflow stuff, that comes before the computer vision. If computer vision is in fact the right solution, at least knowing where that will fit in the workflow so that it doesn't impede anybody. And then one other small tip to add to that is just start with a narrow use case. Don't try to solve the full problem. Bite off a small piece and try to solve that first.
I really liked the first one. Clearly, if and I feel like this is something that it's kind of the work of the consultant sometimes, making sure that the client doesn't shoot on his own feet, because I mean it's not their fault, and I'm not saying that it is. I'm just saying like when you have your own company and you see a problem and you want to fix it, sometimes you get a bit too excited. I know that it happens for myself, but as a consultant, I feel like you need to detach yourself from the excitement of the client and making sure that you give like an objective advice, and making sure to say like, is this problem going to benefit from computer vision or any solution that it is? And when you select one solution, start simple and then you can scale it into something smarter, especially making sure that you have good data and that you can get it in a way that is not going to cost you an incredible amount of time or money. And I would say like that those are the biggest examples that I can come up with. But no, in general, I agree with you. I think like what you've said is a very sound advice.